Vacation. We shall be quiet.
Daddy, he's all down with the birds. Did you buy 2 more, Josh, or what'd you buy?
3.
Dog's on you.
Yeah, he's on my shoulder.
Don't ball me. No.
Ah, you little guy. Oh, you broke skin. You're a little skin breaker.
He looked mean anyway, I thought. That one.
Yeah, he does look mean.
Hey,
Josh, you got a bird on your shoulder. It's Pirate Josh.
Arr. Oh, that one's mean.
Oh, he can't leave. He can't leave. So what? Yeah, I can't work right here.
Oh my gosh, I think he was bigger than me.
He would.
Rhea, look out.
I'm a bird whisperer.
Hey, don't put on here!
Oh, here. Take that one, but don't shot at Michaela, okay?
You're evil.
What? Is it bird poop? It's okay. We'll go wash your hands. It's just a little bit of bird poop. It's okay. Oh, let's go clean up.
Wash it.
Oh, look at her, how brave she is.
Hey, baby, do you want to go back in the meeting? Yes, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. What is that?